Have you got your HP printer from the DeskJet 3700 series that's stuck showing offline even though it's connected? Worry not. This video will help you fix the issue in no time. The offline issue can happen for a bunch of reasons like Wi-Fi connection problem, outdated drivers, incorrect printer settings, or even a simple glitch in your system. To bring your printer back online, watch this video till the end, and yes, if you need more help, dial these numbers on the screen to talk to our printer experts. Alright then, let's get your printer back online.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Reset your printer. Go to your printer and hold the power and cancel button for around 5 seconds. After that, the printer will print a page and then reset process will be complete. Method 2. Make sure your printer is connected correctly. First, the obvious step is to turn on your printer. Next, on the control panel, press and hold the Wi-Fi and cancel buttons together for around 5 seconds. After that, you will notice the power button to start blinking. Now, go to your smartphone that is connected to your Wi-Fi network and open the HP Smart app. Once the app is open, tap on the plus icon at the top. On the next page, tap on the Add Printer option. Next, your printer series name will show up on the screen. Simply go ahead and tap on it. After that, the app will detect your Wi-Fi network and show it on the screen. What you need to do is type the network password and tap on Continue. When you see the screen, tap on Continue option to move forward. Finally, you will see the Setup Complete option.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.